Hey y'all, this is Tara with Housewife Anonymous. Today I'm hoping to fix my hands that I managed to paint two different shades of orange. So I'm going to be doing a product review on this thing I found on Amazon called AIBRIT. It's supposed to remove gel polishes within 3 to 5 minutes. So this is what the product looks like. As you can see, the product's really thick, kind of chunky in appearance when you apply it. It's a little snotty almost. The kit also came with 2 files, 1 actual file and 1 buffer. It came with a cuticle oil that's a twist application, a pair of needle nose tweezers that I'm obsessed with, and a cuticle pisher that I'm not so obsessed with. It's just really thick, a lot thicker than the other ones that I have. Also, I forgot to show it, but it comes with a peel-off liquid latex that you can use as a barrier to protect your skin from coming in contact with the gel polish remover. It was only $19.99. I can't remember if I got the coupon or not, honestly. The reviews were really good, said that it worked really well, and the directions seemed pretty easy, honestly. I'm still kind of new to doing my own nails, so I was hopeful. So to start, the directions said for step 1 to remove the top coat, that the gel polish remover would have an easier time removing the gel polish with the top coat removed. So here I am doing my absolute best to remove as much of it as I could. And I went ahead and just did both nails because I had planned to do a completely different set. And this is where the fun begins, honestly. I start applying it, but I didn't read the directions. The directions said to apply the liquid latex on your cuticle to prevent any chemical reactions or contact dermatitis of any kind. So I applied it. Super crazy application for me, honestly. It's not a product I've ever really used before. It went on okay. I felt like I was having to cake it on. I thought maybe that would help, honestly. I'd get better results. I'm not sure. So I put it all on, and almost immediately you could hear the polish crackling. You could almost see immediate results. See right there on my ring finger, it's already getting chippy.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
Okay, so here I am going in and using my scraper, trying to scrape it. I will say, however, that I was very heavy-handed. I had gel tips on, and so I wasn't afraid to ruin or damage my natural nails, but it was really stuck on, honestly. I was hopeful that I could get it all off the first round, and that's just not how it panned out. This actually took, I believe it was 3 coats to get all of the polish off. And by that time, as you'll see here in a little bit, it actually started removing my gel tips, which was unfortunate because I was hoping to be able to just polish over them again instead of having to do a whole new set. Also, you guys, this stuff is super messy. I'm not sure what I expected, but for some reason I didn't expect it to be this messy. It doesn't seem to remove glitter gel polish, as most polish removers are horrible at. This is just as horrible. Oh, one thing I do really want to note is that this stuff burns if it touches your skin. I got a couple of drops here and there on my hands and wrist, and it burned so bad. I don't have sensitive skin at all, and it burned. Once I got it off, because I took it off pretty much immediately, I removed it, and towards the end of this video, I started noticing that I had little, what looked to be like ant bites in the places that the polish remover had touched my natural skin. So FYI, if you have sensitive skin, I do not recommend using this product. I don't recommend this product to anyone who has a low pain tolerance or sensitive skin. It's just easier to stick your hands in some acetone and soak your nails off.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Okay, so after removing the polish remover and scraping off the remaining polish, I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat to try to get all of the glitter off, as well as the remaining little bits of gel polish that were still there. I applied it on extra thick this time, hoping that I could be completely done.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold.
3 minutes later, it doesn't really look too different this round, honestly. I got the rest of it off with a very heavy hand in removal, but I started noticing that my jelly tips at this point were no longer usable. It was chipping, it was melting on the edges, it seemed like. My thumb actually broke off at the tip. They got thinner and thinner and thinner, and just didn't look the greatest anymore. After 4 coats of the AIBRIT gel polish remover, I was able to remove my gel polish and my jelly tips. I did, however, use heavy scraping when I was removing the polish, but when I went to remove the jelly tips, I was light-handed because I didn't want to damage my natural nails, and it still came off almost like butter, it seemed. It took 2 coats, and my nails looked like nothing had ever happened.
Break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, here you can see the integrity of my nails was completely gone. They were thinned out, bendable, or all bendy. They were melting on the ends and the sides. I just couldn't use them anymore, so I decided to go ahead and clip them off and start with a new fresh set.
Through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
And here's my back to normal nails. I do have a little bit of remnants of, I guess, staining from the green polish, but otherwise my nails look really healthy. Cuticles still horrible, but that's to be expected, I guess. Here I am trying their cuticle oil, and I can say that it's okay. I've had better. It was soft, but it only lasted maybe a minute or two, and then my nails, or my cuticles rather, felt like they always did. I could honestly watch this stuff and listen to it all day. Hearing the sounds of it popping and watching gel polish flake up the way it does, it doing its magic, it's a relaxing experience, honestly. As long as you're not burning, it's super relaxing. So I went ahead and included a time lapse of it doing its thing. Hopefully y'all enjoy it as much as I did.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
All right, guys, that's going to be all for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video.